Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make shadow videos on TikTok. So if you want to create stunning shadow videos on using only a TikTok camera, in this tutorial I'll show you how to achieve the shadow video effect step by step. So first, what you need to do is just open the TikTok application. Okay, so once you open the TikTok app, you can just open the TikTok camera, tap on the plus button, and in here adjust the duration. Now for the filter, you choose this under the vibe category, choose the V3 filter and position the camera. You can choose windows or door slide just like this. Okay, after that you can just go in frame and record your video. So I'm going to show you the example. So you can just record your video. So after you record your video, just tap on the red button again and click on the check icon, and you can see or preview the result. You can see that the object will become like a shadow, just like that. And here I'm going to add some additional effect. You can find the split category in here and choose the one that you like, but I'm going to go with the split 9. So there are 9 shadow on the video, and after that you can just tap on save at the top, and this will be the result. So once you done with your editing, you can also add text and everything if you want to, but if you don't want to add text, you can just upload it to TikTok by tapping on next, and then you can just add some description and adjust the cover, add some hashtag mention and locations if you want to. So guys, that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.